Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video I'm super excited because it is our monthly collab hosted by Food Makeup Skin, and this month's theme is a monochromatic look. I almost passed up on this collab because I have created multiple monochromatic looks on my channel, but I always look forward to this collab, so I'm gonna go with the color blue. I did pull out a couple of items to maybe even go one step further with like blue brows. I found a blue highlighter, blue lipstick. The only thing I was thinking of, I know blue contour probably will never get its own blush contouring powders, but I think that'd be fun to do. That's something that will not be incorporated. I just have a face palette right here that I'm going to use. I will leave my collabs playlist link to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Forgot to prime my eyes, so I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I saw that Shape Tape came out with a hydrating formula. I'm very curious about that. Not that I need more concealer in my life, that's just one of the steps that I tend to skip in my makeup routine. A lot of concealers, even if I do set them, tend to crease under my under eye or it cakes throughout the day. So I just tend to skip concealer. I found a new brightening cream. I got it in IPSY. It's by Filorga, and it really adds a nice luminosity glow. And that's just what I've been using instead of concealing. But I really found like the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to be a good dupe for Shape Tape, and they came out with a hydrating formula too, which I still have not tried yet. Maybe do a concealer showdown between the two. That might be fun. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I have not done like a foundation wear test, concealer showdown, so something like that I think would be fun to do on the channel. From Urban Decay, I'm going to take this 24/7 eyeliner in the shade LSD to fill in my brows. For eyes, by BH Cosmetics, I'm going to take the Bubblegum eyeshadow palette, and this is what the inside looks like. I had no idea that these palettes were limited edition. Anytime BH has a release, I am a sucker and I jump right on it. So I do want to work on some duping videos since you can't find these anywhere, either on Ulta's or BH's website. I've only tried one of the other palettes. I think there was 8 total in this line, and the one that I used previously, I used for my Euphoria Glitter Tears look. I'll link that video in case if you missed it, but I really like these because 1, these pans are huge for BH Cosmetics. 2, the formula is impeccable. Hopefully I can find some close enough dupes in case if they don't bring them back. I'm going to kick things off with the shade Bubbles, and I'll be working the shade all over the crease. I'm going to take Chili next to help diffuse and clean up bubbles. The brush that I prefer to do this with is my Sigma blending brush, but it's in the queue to get clean, so hopefully this will be okay. I think I'm going to take Frozen for 2/3 of my lid, and then the shade Blueberry that my pinky is on for the outer V portion of my lid. Ooh, this shade is gorgeous. And then going back in with Frozen just to make sure there is no harshness between the two shades. I'm going to add some eyeliner to my lid and waterline. This is my Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner. And then I have my LA Girl Shockwave neon eyeliner in the shade Electric. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take Sweetened. The lower lash line is not having it today. It is super watery on both eyes. And then I'm going to take Sweet Tooth for the inner corners. For lashes, I'm going to take the style Rio by Lashy Box. Ooh, these are some dramatic ass lashes. Ooh, I was just going for a little bit of volume and they just want to flutter away over here. I'm going to add some mascara and take some of my Tarte eyeliner for my upper waterline. I feel like my watery eyes are trying to sabotage this look today. For bronzer and blush, I'm going to take the Real Her Ultimate Glow Trio palette. This bronzer is breaking on me. I was trying to salvage it and it doesn't want to be salvaged. I'm going to take the shade Freeze Tag to highlight. And then Blue Velvet for my lips. And this is the final look. Oh my gosh, my watery eyes were definitely trying to sabotage this video. Was not expecting these lashes to be as dramatic as they are because it's kind of taking away from the lid right now. Really digging blue lipstick. I think more brands need to hop on it. I don't know why blue lipstick isn't a thing. It's just really pretty. I don't think it's taking away from the focal point on the eyes. I think it's complementing it quite well. I would love to know, if you were to create a monochromatic look, which color would you choose? What products in your collection do you have to achieve a monochromatic monochromatic look. And don't forget to check out everyone else's looks. There will be a playlist linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.